Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Monday and date 12th and month April and year 2021. Which period is this? English period. Today our topic, what comes after? Students, today we will learn and write letters that what comes after the given letters. Okay students, let's start. Students, what comes after B? C. B के बाद क्या आता है? C. What comes after B? C. What comes after E? F. What comes after E? F. What comes after L? M. What comes after L? M. L के बाद क्या आता है? M. What comes after O? P. What comes after O? P. Yes. What comes after Y? Z. Y के बाद क्या आता है? Z. What comes after Y? Z. Let's start the activity. Activity, what comes after? Okay students, find out what comes after B. Yes, what comes after B? Find out what comes after B. C. Yes. Students, what comes after O? Tell me what comes after O. Let's read alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What comes after O? P. Yes. Yes, what comes after O? P. Great. What comes after X? Find out what comes after X. Y. Hooray. What comes after B? C. What comes after O? P. What comes after X? Y. Let's start the copy work. What is day today? Today is Monday and date 12th and month April and year 2021. Topic, what comes after? Students, today we will write the letters that what comes after the given letters. Let's start. What comes after A? B. What comes after A? B. We will write here capital B, small b. Like this, capital B, small b. What comes after D? E. What comes after D? E. We will write here E. Like this, this is capital E, this is small e. What comes after G? H. Now we will write here capital H and small h. This is capital H, this is small h. What comes after J? K. What comes after J? K. We will write here capital K and small k. Capital K, small k. What comes after M? N. What comes after M? N. Now we will write here capital N and small n. This is capital N, this is small n. What comes after O? P. Now we will write here capital P and small p. Like this. What comes after Q? R. R. What comes after Q? R. We will write here capital R and small r. This is capital R. This is small r. What comes after S? T. Now we will write here capital T and small t. This is capital T. This is small t. What comes after U? V. Write down V. This is capital V. This is small v. What comes after W? X. You will write here capital X and small x. This is capital X. This is small x. What comes after X? Y. You will write here capital Y and small y. This is capital Y. This is small y. What comes after Y? Z. You will write here capital Z and small z. This is capital Z. This is small z. In this way, you will complete your work neat and clean and color in this picture very beautifully. Thank you.